How to host API on Hostinger. Explained. So, first things first, in Hostinger, you're gonna need an actual subscription in order to be access to do this. So, to host an API, you need a plan that does support your server-side runtime. So, like Python API, you do need VPS hosting or cloud hosting. So, you're gonna have to decide what type of API you have. So Hostinger does support APIs differently, as we just mentioned, like PHP. It works on shared hosting, easiest and probably the cheapest around here. Although the cheapest one is Solo, but there's other options. If you have Python API, it requires VPS hosting. So just go ahead and look into the details that pretty much fits your API. So if your API is one of the from the easiest chosen plan, just go ahead and log into your Hostinger, go to the files, and then upload your API folder. Then you can access it like a domain. Then you're done. There's actually no extra setup included. So if that is your case, then just go ahead and do that. But if your API is somewhat a higher plan, then you're gonna need to get a hosting or VPS. So just go ahead and look over here. This is usually the VPS setup. So you can connect using SSH, you can install your node and then upload your project. Then that's where you can start your API. If your API is Node.js or something like that, you can still go for the hosting or VPS and then connect using SSH. Pretty much almost the same process. And finally, if your API is somewhat like Python, you can buy the same thing, hosting or VPS, SSH into server, and then install Python itself. Then upload your API, then just run it. After doing all that, it will be done. There are some processes you can follow inside the Hostinger app itself. As you can see, it will show you how to do it once you get your plans. Or to be safe, you could do more research about it as well. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's